This is how we do it. This is how we do it.
We are going to review the Courtney hair topper from UniWigs. Is new. The part is a monofilament, and that is the only hand-tied area, which makes this a better bargain for those of you who want a human hair topper. It is an espresso color, and it is 16 inches long. Here is your base, the 4 clips, and there's a little grippy part right here. Here is the middle part. I put a little bit of concealer on there already. This one is super soft, very straight. I haven't washed this one yet, and I thought, well, we'll just do this one right out of the box per se. I've already flat ironed this fuzzy hair of mine. I have androgenic alopecia. My hair is so thin and so wispy. I've been wearing toppers for about 10 years, and so far I've had luck with all of them. The bigger the better for my hair loss, because you can see it's pretty significant. So with my hair in particular, I have a cowlick and I can't really do the middle part. It just keeps coming back. And that's where it likes to be, but that's okay. We're gonna leave it and see what happens. Which normally would bother me, but as I was wearing it the other day, it didn't bother me at all. What bothers me the most, I think, is when there is a clip right there that I can't handle. So here we go. Just look at it how it is. Now that's pretty nice. So I'm going to take the front of the topper right here, and I'm just going to flat iron some of it down. I'm gonna take my Got To Be Glued hair gel, put a little bit on my finger like this, and then I'm just gonna carefully put this over. I think that people that have hair like this naturally probably do this too anyway. There's the underneath. Wow, that's impressive. Look at that. I'm very excited about this. There's my hair underneath. You can't really even tell. I like it. I am gonna admit that at first I was like, I don't know. Okay, so here's the goodie bag that I got. Big scrunchie. Take 2, accessory number 2. Oh, it's already tied. So you know how it is when you move to another room, other lighting, or go outside, that things look different. I think it actually looks better, but I don't have a lot of hair, so it's gonna show my scalp through it. You may need to put concealer on yours just to create the illusion, but mine is just probably all natural. I haven't done anything to this part, and look how good it looks. So I'm very happy. And the color is pretty amazing. Thank you for watching. Bye.